What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. We got a Honda Accord with a blown out bulb. No light here. We got a light. So I want you to stop putting these little bulbs in. 15 bucks, 15 bucks, 15 bucks, 15 bucks. Back to mechanic, back to mechanic, back to mechanic. So what if I told you that you could get two bulbs for around 58 to 65 bucks, LED bulb? All you need to do is go on Amazon. You need to look for this H11 bulb. What you want to do is follow my instruction. I have a whole video on it, but I am going to show you how to change this because the customer's here. So this is the bulb. So if you keep having bulbs, if you replace two of these, the mechanic's going to probably charge you 30, 40 bucks. Why don't you get some LED bulbs and get it done first time? Get it done right. Get it done better. It's going to look better. It's going to be brighter. It's going to be more clear. So I'm going to put a link of that video and I'm going to show you that video on my channel. And all you need to do is type it up and it will pop up. 2 minutes to install this, and I'm going to show you how to install this, and you can just follow up. It's the same procedure. Okay, guys? Let's get this job going. Okay, before that, let's open up our bulb, and I'm going to tell you guys not to touch that flare, the glass part, because you're going to have oily hands. You're going to put grease on it. So all you need to do is turn in, turn out, turn out, turn in, and that's it. So we got this bulb ready. Let's go on the vehicle. So this one works. This one don't work. What we're gonna do is, as you can see, this one don't work. Let's turn off these lights. What we're gonna do is, I'm gonna show you the link and everything on my channel, and I'll even show you this bulb on Amazon. And what you're gonna do is, you wanna push on that little connector down here, and you wanna pull this out. So you pretty much all you're doing is you squeezing this, you pushing on this, and squeeze, pull down, and it releases the bulb. You turn this counterclockwise. If you're looking right at it, you see the position of this bulb. So if you're gonna start from the same position, this bulb comes out, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in the same position, turn, and take that connector, click it back in. It should click and it should not come out. Don't push on it anymore. So just try to pull it down. It should not come out. Bada bing, bada boom. This thing is garbage. And that's how simple it is to change these bulbs. So let's test the lights. There you go. Oh, stop changing them. Put some LED bulbs on it, guys. And it's simple. 5-minute job. Can save you a headache. Anyways, thank you for watching. And stay tuned for the rest of the video so you can see what to get. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on YouTube. You're gonna put in this number right there. I mean exact title, and 2013 to 17. You're gonna find me there. You're gonna find me here again. LED bulbs, $35. Okay, now let's go on Amazon. Okay, now you can go on Amazon and you will find a bulb similar to this and H11. Make sure you confirm this fits your vehicle. H11 bulb is gonna just a change different of this right here. So go on Amazon. This thing is about 40 bucks, and make sure you check the lumen. I think 65. I do explain all that in my other videos, so check that out. Different number of Ks, lumens, and it might give you a different brightness of it. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Stop changing them bulbs and put in some LED bulbs. I got it in my car, and they've been running for years. Peace out.